Hi everyone.
Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs.
In this lesson, we will learn the usage of carry on, carry on about, carry on with, carry out, carry over, and carry through. All the best. Carry on. To proceed as before or to maintain. To fulfill. To misbehave so as to attract attention.
He decided not to carry on smoking. You must carry on the good work.
Good.
She finally carried out her lifelong dream.
Wonderful.
She annoyed him by carrying on all evening.
Correct. Carry on about. To continue in an annoying way.
She kept carrying on about her hairstyle.
Good. Carry on with. To have an affair.
He is carrying on with someone at office.
Well done. Carry out. To perform a task.
The scientist carried out tests on a new drug.
Wonderful. Carry over. To continue past a certain point.
The discussion was carried over into lunchtime.
Nice. Carry through. To complete successfully.
They have enough food to carry them through the drought.
Correct. That's all for now.
Wonderful. Well done.
Bye.